it. No one ever left home to become one with the crowd. No one ever hit the road without a drive and without a need to succeed. No one, never. Because the whole idea to start on your own is to find your passion, to discover something novel, moving, inspiring, to discover something new and extraordinary in yourself, the idea and the business you choose to do. Consider a new role. Find an entrepreneur in you. Take risks. Crave for the new. Build new relationships. Find new energy to break all barriers. Become one with your idea, your passion and belief. Well, since 1999, we have partnered and nurtured more business relationships than any other company. Helping entrepreneurs explore new businesses is not just what we believe in. It has always been who we are. Since Gaurav packed his bags and left off in search of the extraordinary, we have opened and put more businesses on a growth path than anybody else. And the best thing about growth is that it never stops knocking on the doors of successful people. Successful people who are always looking for the right opportunity. We all get a moment with that opportunity. And right now, somewhere around you, right here, there is an opportunity waiting just for you. An opportunity that could lead you on your path for the rest of your life. As franchise Indians every day, everything we do is creating an opportunity for you. Because your growth is our business.
Hello and good afternoon, everyone, and thank you so much for joining us on this webinar called Business Opportunity Over Chai. Business Opportunity Over Chai is a webinar series presented by the management of Franchise India every day at 12 o'clock in the afternoon with an aim to introduce you to a new business opportunity. Every day, we bring exciting and high potential franchise business opportunity from across the industry. Over the past 27 years, Franchise India has helped thousands of investors finding the right franchise opportunity and successfully start their entrepreneurial journey. Franchise India, as world's largest integrated franchise solution company, our role is to make sure your investment is safe by taking an informed decision and your journey from investor to entrepreneur is smooth and successful. In today's webinar, we will introduce you a brand from beauty and wellness category called cosmetics. Cosmetics started in 2019 as a new venture by the Safa Group, a well-known business group from Kerala with successful ventures in jewelry, education, and cosmetics. The brand stands for its idea of beautiful health, bringing together the art of beauty and the science of wellness. In simple terms, cosmetics is one stop shop for top quality beauty, cosmetic, and healthcare products from multiple premium brands. Their aim is to meet the rising demand for safe, effective, and medically balanced beauty solutions across India and the Middle East through the franchise business model. And to talk about the same, I'm joined with Aslam, who's the business development manager, along with okay, so we also have Jaizu. He is the operation manager. So before we talk more about this brand and the business opportunity, I would like to inform all the viewers that you also have opportunity to ask questions related to the brand and the business. My request is to please keep on posting your queries into the Q&A box to make this session more interactive. We will take up all the questions once the presentation is over. So now I would request Aslam to or maybe Jaiju, let's get started with a little bit of introduction. And then I'll play a video just to give you an idea about the brand, and then we will go through the formal presentation. Yeah. So Aslam, yeah, over to you.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, Bharat. Actually, introducing us your team and all. And along with me, there is Jaiju also, and our CEO also present. He's also in a traveling. Okay. So let's start with that video that the how our group growth and all. So, Bharat, please play that. Can you?
In the 1990s, when we founded Safa Jewelry, we had only our hard work and an unwavering commitment to transparency. Even when quality regulations were less stringent, our customer dealings were always remarkably transparent. This dedication to quality has etched our name in the public's mind. Today, this commitment is taking us global. Safa is a family enterprise built on the principles of unity and unwavering quality. This is our strength. Our research into the gold jewelry industry provided insights that helped the entire industry grow. Our passion for creativity, coupled with extensive research, inspired the founding of the Gem and Jewelry Institute. Here, we blend the artistry of the heart with cutting-edge technology, achieving a perfect synergy of art and science. This unique vision has propelled the Gem and Jewelry Institute to become the leading gemology and jewelry institute in the country. At the Institute of Gems and Jewelry, we offer a range of accredited professional degree and diploma courses, along with specialized training and consultancy services tailored for the gem and jewelry industry. Our brand Claris is the result of years of dedicated research and development at the Gem and Jewelry Institute, drawing inspiration from designs around the world. Claris's unique, customized designs have made it a popular brand among the world. Your dream is our top priority. We transform your imagination into reality. To stay ahead in jewelry trends, our exclusive lifestyle jewelry brand, Claris Lifestyle Jewelry, offers trend-setting collections for the younger generation. In our 360-degree operations in the gems and jewelry industry, Safa Manufacturing uses the latest technologies to craft exquisite gold and diamond jewelry. Mio, our diamond brand derived from Safa Manufacturing, offers diamond ornaments for both wholesale and retail markets worldwide. Laurel, our wholesale brand, represents more than just precious metals trading. It embodies trust and transparency in the global gem and jewelry industry. Our diversification led to the establishment of Cosmetics, an exclusive cosmetics brand. Cosmetics is both a manufacturer and retailer, offering national and international brands at competitive prices. We are your one-stop solution for all cosmetic needs. When all these ventures come together, they proudly stand out as the Safa Group of companies. With our trusted legacy and ongoing commitment to quality and innovation, we are poised to spread our wings globally in the years to come.
Okay, thank you, Bharat, for showing the video. And this is all about our group actually. So let's move to the strategic deck. So, Bharat, is that clear?
Yeah,
The
yeah, yep, yeah, it
yeah,
is
yeah,
visible.
yeah. This is a small hello. This is a small browser that we made actually for the cosmetics brand separately. So cosmetics, as our tagline is beautiful health, we concern the beauty of each of the customers, like customers, not the public, each of our community. So we gave a tagline of beautiful health. We concerned about the beauty. So this is actually the Safa Group actually started cosmetics in 2019 as a diversification brand. So cosmetics is a separate brand of Safa Group under the umbrella of Safa Group, and we started in 2019. Now, with a small outlet in our hometown, Perindalmanna. But currently, we are running six retail stores in Kerala, like in Kozhikode, Thrissur, and Malappuram. We have four stores in Malappuram and one store in Kozhikode and the other store in Thrissur. So we are planning to expand our retail stores, uh, parallelly our e-commerce, and parallelly our own product, that is Piora, that is Piora. So that is our sub brand, like our own brand that we into the manufacturing of the products. We already line up almost 20 24 products, and we are in within 6 to 8 months, we will be launching a huge number of SKUs. So that is actually our business model. So currently we are dealing with multi brands like Plum, Mac, other international brands like Sarave, like a lot of brands we handle. So we are planning to launch our own brand, and we are currently working with the other multi brands also. So with this mix, we like a model like Nika or Purple. So, but the our brand positioning is exactly extremely different from the other brands. So we'll come to that, okay, later. So what make us glow? Like this is our USP actually, the premium multi-branded brand beauty outlet. We are dealing with. We'll come to which of the brands are we dealing with. So there is a well-trained and skilled beauty advisors. So we are giving consultations from our in-store. So if a customer or a our member coming to our store, they will also get a specialized, customized beauty advisors and consultation. So it make us different from the other stores, multi-branded stores. And there is an international store experience that we gave to the customers, our customers. So it will be very good for the customers. There is a good traction of repeated customers. There will be a more than 55%. Currently, we having 55 percentage of repeated customers there because of our store experience and the service that we provide. And makeover facility and tryout parlors is the actually we are giving a tester facilities, and someone coming to our store can test our products like the brands and choose the products very sharply. And the online store, currently we are actually running our online in our own website through WhatsApp, automating our leads to generating sales. So we are doing our own e-commerce platform, like our dedicated e-commerce platform. Currently, we are working on it. Actually, it will be launching soon within 3 to 4 months. So this is actually our stores: Thrissur, Calicut, Malappuram, Perindalmanna, Edakkara, Nadakkav. Currently, we have 6 stores, and we are expanding to 100 stores in 2027. These are some pictures that we extracted from our stores, so you can see how our stores looks like. And these are some of the brands we deal with. Uh, Plum, Mars, some of the major brands actually. There are some more brands that we. And this is our group, Safa Group. We began our journey from 1990 with its first jewelry showroom in Melatur, Kerala. Since then, Safa Group has expanded across India and Middle East. In Dubai, like in UAE, we have 3 stores currently. And in India, we are having 9 retail stores and for Safa, and 3 retail store for Claris. and we have a institute of gem and jewelry. That is one of the main attraction of the group, because the group in South India, the it is one of the uh, big institute that deals with gem and jewelry, and we are actually planning to establish a beauty sector uh, education training also. We are adding, recently we are on a research. We are in talk with our Beauty Skill Council of India for launching our own cosmetic, like beauty and wellness courses in that institute itself. And now I will start with our other strategic deck. Okay. So this is our strategic deck that we need to discuss with our investors and other our members. So this we already told about our cosmetics brand, and I I hope you understand our brand and how we hope our you understand our group as all. So this is the three revenue streams that we currently dealing with. That is retail sales, and we actually know we have 6 stores currently, and we are planning to expand it in this financial year. We are expanding to uh, minimum 15 stores. We already spotted some of the major locations also. So currently, our stores are company-owned stores. 6 stores are company-owned stores having retail operations. And the B2B sales. We supply to our B2B sales to beauty salons, spas, parlors, and makeup professionals at a wholesale rate or special rate. That is our other revenue stream that we focus along with the uh, retail sales. And there will be a institutional sale also for the corporates, in some of the events, and some other hospital programs. So this would be the three major revenue streams that we currently working, and we can add online sales, e-commerce also to into this, and we will be adding this maybe after coming our dedicated e-commerce store. And currently, we are doing e-commerce through our website only. More major products, most of the products we dealing with will be listed on the website itself, and we will be converting through our WhatsApp channel. So there is a good traction that we already currently we our 6 stores getting. So we are planned to move on to the dedicated e-commerce store platform. And this we already discussed our Safa group, our parent company, and how it started and what all that we already discussed. Okay. So coming to our USP, that we already discussed in the brochure first, that multi-branded portfolio, premium imported brands, tester facility, and expert beauty advisors and personalized consultation. And we already talked about these points. And this is our offerings in retail and online. We are offering makeup, skincare, hair care, men essentials, fragrance is there, accessories is there. These are some of the categories we provide, and we actually put some of the fact and figures how the cosmetic market size and how the industry is driving and what is the major customer base and everything. Some of the market research that we made with the help of our franchise India team, and we got a CAGR of 3.83 percentage average on an average year on year average. And we this is some of the multiple factors that how Indian beauty shaping the consumption is the some of the major that decoding the Gen Zs and young millennials, rise of premium beauty consumptions and expanding beauty vocab. Because nowadays the most of the people are very beauty conscious. So there would be a good traction of revenue and customer base. And these three things are some industry insights that we put. Uh, Expansion of modern offline retail formats. Like when we see our competitors, like some of the competitors with a similar model. So Nika, when we talk about Nika or Purple or any other, they are expanding their retail stores actually. If we tell that the e-commerce is the major revenue from for the cosmetics, but the currently the offline retail format is very popular in nowadays. So the retail stores is essential rather than the e-commerce only format. So we are planning an omni-channel. So that is our plan. So rapid urbanization and rising disposable income will be the other industry insight that we tap actually. There will be a urbanization in most of the tier 2, 3 cities. So that will be a good evolving consumer awareness and grooming culture. That is most of the now the decision makers are Gen Zs and millennials. They would be making decisions for their parents also. So there would be a good culture of good awareness of consumers about the trend and the new cosmetics age. So these are some of the things that we put from the industries that we can just read and go. These are the strategic implications that we focus actually. We are focusing premiumization at affordable prices. We This is our major our strategy because Nika is focusing tier one, tier two. We are actually focusing tier two, tier three cities actually. So that is our brand positioning. So in we are giving a premium service at affordable price. That would be our major strategy for major difference from the other stores. So there is an increased in-store product discovery. We actually doing a back-end very high volume of research about the trend, about the products, and we can introduce new trend, new products to our store very fastly and very fast. So that we actually having a good research team under our operation manager, and they are researching, they are taking very good opinions from the professionals from the same industry and putting our stores to we are very updated actually. That is a exact word that we can use. And the rise of ingredient conscious shoppers. In past years, most of the shoppers don't aware. Maybe they are much more don't aware about the ingredients that we use in the cosmetics. But currently, there is if social media is very trending ingredients, and that would be a major strategy that we actually looked into a ingredient, how a product is, how the product. So we actually have lot of knowledge in the cosmetic market. So it would be easy for us to, if there is any product that give harm to the customers, that we don't put it in our shop. And the next thing, personalized consultation, that would lead us selling, that we already talked in our USP. And the emergence of eco-friendly packaging preference, and we always use the eco-friendly packaging. Localized language support in sales. Actually, in sales, we put localized language staffs for supporting the customers. And staff upskilling. For staff upskilling, we are actually planning to introduce, that we already discussed. We are planning to introduce some of the courses, some of the courses for training for our own staffs, and also to the industry. Also, we are focusing to the industry also, some of the major courses, with the support of skill council of cosmetic. So we are introducing a new 2 or 3 courses into our Institute of Gem and Jewelry, with a separate division of cosmetics, so that it will be helpful for our staffs and also for the public. And visual merchandising, we actually into 35 years of experience in the retail. So it would be very easy for us to uh, how to give the very good experience for the customers, in store customers experience and the service. So this is some of the pictures of our outlets. So some Faces Canada, Pilgrim, Mars, some of the brands we deal with. And next we are going to move to the franchise model. So we are giving 2 type in single unit. One second, let me. Sorry. So uh, this is the franchise model that we give actually. We give single unit franchisee and the multi-unit franchisee. If a person need in a zone, specifically in a district of Tamil Nadu or in a district of Kerala, the whole franchisee that we gave to him uh, with a dedicated, like a distribution type, and the single unit also we sell. And these are the roles and responsibilities of our model. We are actually focusing the FOFO model, the franchisee owned, franchisee operated model. And the ownership of the ownership will be the franchisee, investment would be the franchisee, operations would be franchisee, and we give our brand guidelines to franchisee, and the company would be giving the brand guidelines. Revenue generation would be franchisee, expenses would be met by franchisee from this revenue they generated, and the profit that would be entirely for the franchisee only. And company, there will be a medium control from our side, and there is a high growth and suitable for our brands. And we are planning pan India, but in phase one, we are planning in South India. And this is operation terms, and most of the things that at dealing by the franchisee only. We will be giving the franchisee a ATL marketing, the centralized marketing from our side, cosmetics, and the logistics, discount, and the other part will be stock will be managed by, and stock will be uh, given to the franchisee by the cosmetics only. And the agreement terms would be 5 years. That would be a flexible. We would be very flexible if renewal would be mutual agreement. And this is the snapshot of the investment required. We are actually running three types of stores. That the model itself is three types. One is 1,050 square feet store. The area wise we categorized three stores. Uh, and the second one is 850 square feet store, and the third one is 550 square feet store. These are the model that we serve for the franchisee, and the 550 that is an average approx square feet. If it is 450 or 500, and it is enough. And it is, if it is 600, that is also okay. So we actually mentioned here actually about the mm, an average scenario. Total capital capex investment, including franchisee fee, is in the 1,000 above square feet is 37 lakhs 70,000 will be the capital investment including franchisee. And franchisee fee included in the 37 lakhs 70,000 would be 5 lakhs. And the initial inventory is 31 lakhs 20,000 rupees. So other than 37 lakhs, the franchisee need to invest in stock like 31 lakhs also in the first model, 1,000 square feet model. The royalty we charging would be 6%, and the tenure will be 5 years. The IRR on total investment would be 26%, and the payback period on total investment will be 34 months. Coming to the next model, 850 square feet model, that 1,000 square feet above model is our flagship stores, actually our signature stores. And the 850 store is the next type of store, that is in 850 square feet store, we need capital investment including franchisee fee, that is 31 lakhs 10,000, including the franchisee fee of 4 lakhs rupees. And we need to invest initial inventory 27 lakhs 30,000, and the same royalty 6% would be charged by cosmetics uh, on turnover, on revenue. And the IRR of the total investment would be 35%. And the payback period is 29 months, would be the payback period. And moving to the next model, 550 square feet model, that is our mini model that we mostly planning our stores to be 550 square feet model, because this is a hot selling model for franchisee. We consider like that only. So capital investment needed would be 21 lakh 70,000, including franchisee fee of 3 lakhs. And initial inventory needed would be 19 lakhs 50,000. And the same royalty 6% on revenue, and the IRR on total investment would be 37%. And payback period on the last model, 550 square feet model, would be 28 months. So I would consider the 550 square feet model would be an hot selling, and most of the franchisee owners would be preferring the 550 model, because initially we talked with some of the franchisee investors. They are already interested in that 550 model because the payback period and also the risk from the model would be very low actually. The investment also is very low. So uh, we can uh, we can address most of the products in 550 square feet model also. So coming to the next page, the apart from the financials, it is ideal partner profile that just we ideally focus on women entrepreneurs. So they will be very passionate and they would be very interested in this model and in this project also because it is very beauty. Most of the ladies would be very passionate and businessman or partner with connections, maybe uh, some of the major entrepreneurs in a city, they would have might have some of the networks and all, and full-time business owners, that normal business owners, and partner with there is some relevant industry experienced persons, they can also very easy to run our shows. Then these are the steps that we go through, our franchisee go through. Actually, in the initial stage, there would be an application form for if someone interested in our project, they can fill the application form, initial form, and moving to the next NDA, non-disclosure agreement, that we already made with the help of Franchise India. And once the NDA is signed by the franchisee, then letter of intent will be there. We will be giving them the financials and our sourcing, product sourcing things, and all other things would be uh, delivered by after signing the NDA. And lastly, if they are okay with all the things, and they will be moving to the agreement, formal signing up and location tapping, and we will be discussing the commercial terms and the other legal formalities would be, and opening the show next. And the franchisee obligations, these are some of the obligations that franchisee need to be kept, that trademarks and brand approved by there would be a prior approval from our cosmetic side to be use our IP, the intellectual property, trademarks and brand, and product offering. Franchisee agrees to offer only the selected products approved by cosmetics only, and we would be the only stock provider to the franchisee, and the company assets, responsible for the company assets and its security, marketing and branding. Maybe central marketing would be done by the cosmetics team, and maintenance and submission of books and records and reports. There would be a certain period they would be sending us the reports, accounts, maintenance. There would be an audit. There would be a surface audit. And that we already mentioned the separate thing, the SOP. In the SOP, we already mentioned about the audits and all the books maintained, how to maintain the books, which all are the books to be maintained, and all the reports that they need to generate in monthly basis, quarterly basis. And we already discussing the same in the SOP. And the franchisee fee. There would be a one-time franchisee fee that would not be a refundable franchisee. That is non-refundable. With a one-time fee we already talked, 3 lakhs, 4 lakh, 5 lakhs for 3 models respectively. So coming to the strategic locations, so this would be so we are planning in our small stores, that is 500 square feet stores, we are planning only in tier 2, tier 3 cities. In tier 1 cities, there would be a big store only. And good demographic mix would be the our marketing team would be studying the locations, and they will identify the potential of the market, and they will be suggesting how the market is, and the traction of the market and everything. And we are commercial markets, shopping malls. We focus high streets. We can do our stores, cosmetic stores. And this is rollout and location strategy. In Tier 1, I already told you, in Tier 1 cities, there will be a store size of 1,000 to 1,200 square feet. And in Tier 2 city, we can go with 500 to 700 square feet stores. That's some of the examples that we given: Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, Hyderabad is Tier 1 cities that we given. And in Tier 3 cities, small towns and developing clusters, we will go with the 350 or 450 square feet. That is our 550 model. And that is the overall strategies: Tier 1 flagship stores, Tier 2 mid-size show format, and Tier 3 combat format. And these are some of the media frequencies. This is all about our strategic deck. I think I covered all of the points. I think we already discussed our major points.
Right,
So,
right.
Bharat,
Yeah, thanks so much, Aslam, for the great presentation, right? It was really
yeah, sure.
quite in detail, right?
Yeah,
But before we start taking questions, in case if, you know, CEO, sir, in case if you would like also to add, a few remarks from your side.
Hello, Bharat. Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. I think Aslam have given an overview about the group and our growth plan and the uh, expansions, what are we are looking for in the next 2 years. So one of the main differentiation what we have in the cosmetic vertical is, uh, hello.
Yeah, yeah. Please go ahead.
Okay, okay. So the main USPs, whatever we are offering is like the testing facilities and the range of products, whatever we are offering. Okay. So almost we have 6 stores, which is spanned across in Kerala. And now in the another 2 years, we are looking for almost 100 stores, pan India. that's cosmetics is looking for. So I mean, we are, I mean, we are looking for the invested minds who can join us in the journey. That's all, Bharat.
Absolutely, absolutely right. Thank you so much, sir. Um, right. So I will now invite all the viewers. In case if you have any question, you can start putting in the Q&A box, and we will take them up. If you talk about this particular opportunity that has been given by the Safa Group, I think choosing this brand can be a great the move. The number one is this has a trusted legacy, right? I mean, cosmetics is powered by the Safa Group, which is
yes,
already a well-established business house with over like 30 years of credibility in jewelry, education, and cosmetics, right? So this legacy ensures this strong business ethics, operational stability, and brand trust, right? So that is the best part, of this brand.
y-
Um,
yes,
any okay, right? So I'm also joined with my colleagues from across the country. We have Manoj, who is the business head from Hyderabad. We have Sharat, who is the business head from the Bangalore, uh, and Shiju, of course, from the Kochi. In case if you would like to ask any question.
Hello, hi Aslam. Hello to all the Aslams here,
hi,
actually.
yeah, 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 sure.
Firstly, congratulations on choosing the colors and the brand designs are beautiful. You have addressed the
Yes,
mind of women very well, and I'm
thank
glad
you.
that you spoke about the profile of investors that women would be very interested in this.
Yes, sure.
I have
Thank
a
you.
host
Thank
of
you.
questions. I have a host of
Yeah.
questions, and I come
Yeah.
from Hyderabad, Telangana, one of the states which your brand is quite interested in.
Yes. 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 We are very interested in Hyderabad and Telangana.
So you will expect a lot of questions from me because I will be corresponding.
Yeah. 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 Sure. Sure.
So, Aslam,
Yeah.
when you say that your USP and differentiation is ingredients, okay, what ingredients are you talking about, which make you come across as different with other brands?
Not not the ingredients. Actually, we are different from the other stores is from our experience and in-store ambience. Actually, we have a legacy of 35 years. Not only the jewelry segment, actually, we are into the retail segment. That is separate. Retail is very separate. So 35 years we are in a luxury market, then we know how to give a good ambience and good service in our stores. That would be our first USP. And moving into the second USP, that we can talk about our tester facility and our personalized consultation. Our BAs are very well trained, and our operation managers is here. He is very experienced in the industry, and he know how to. And for the same purpose, we are opening a educational institution separate for along with the IGJ, our Gem Jewelry Institute, for the training and upskilling and the research only. So that would be the second thing. And coming to the ingredient side, that we all told about the ingredients, that some of the ingredients are harm for the harm to our skin and summer. So we will be so the same ingredient would be harm for your skin and maybe not harm for my skin because of the skin tone and everything. So that would be so we are giving a separate consultation for this thing. What would be your skin tone, and we are actually planning a AR try on the analytics of the skin in our dedicated e-commerce platform that we are actually planning. A AI tool is there that we can scan our skin tone in the camera, and that would be suggesting some of the products that you need to use for your daily purpose. So that we are actually working on that particular thing, and that's all I think. Be clear, I think. If you can,
Yes,
you can.
when you say testing, when you say testing as a customer, when I come in and I inquire about a sunscreen
Yes.
or a face wash, you tell me about
Yes.
for dry skin, what would you suggest?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
and for face
I will
wash.
add something, please.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Okay, Aslam, I also have a question. Obviously, the customer is gonna ask, all the investors are gonna ask, like how you are different from some of the established brand in retail sector already, like Nika, Lush, or
Mm.
like Sephora or Health and Glow. I mean, these are the brands who probably are already doing this similar kind of thing. How you find yourself different? Number one, and number two, I mean, cosmetics and cosmetics. So I mean, how you ensure that it is medically balanced, how you promote your this medically balanced positioning, in the market.
Okay. So the first question is how there is a differentiation from the other competitors and our stores. That is excellent question actually. Our brand positioning is very different. So when we talk about Nika, so for example, I can take Nika. Nika having the same business model, like same multi-branded outlet with their own brand and the omni-channel also. So what the Nika do, the same we are doing, but in a different brand positioning. We are targeting a customer in tier 2, tier 3 cities. Nika is much more premium products and premium things. So they will be focusing tier 1, tier 2 cities. Actually, the brand positioning would be different in this case. The maybe from outside, if you are looking for the store and our products, maybe some similarities will be there. But our tagline is accessible and affordable. Accessible and affordable. That would be our major tag that we are using currently for the marketing purpose, and that would be our that we talk in our USP also. Affordable at premiumization. We give premiumization in our services that we already know in our 35 years of legacy. We already know how to give premium service. We are already dealing with the premium customers. Luxury market in jewelry would be a luxury market. So we actually know how to premiumize the service in the particular cost and feeling good ambience in our stores. So that is what our stores investment would be much higher than small little bit higher than the other local stores, because we are giving that ambience to the customers. So that would be the major difference and the major focus of our brand actually. So
And
Jeju, you have anything to add?
yeah, I will add some more thing for the second question actually. That people come for to pick a product from our store. He or that guy will get a consultation, free consultation about her skin or hair look. So we will giving that consultation free. That's the difference, major difference the person get from our store. The way we are giving consultation, but we are the experts. We have the experts like BS in our stores. So there's a question. Last question you asked about the ingredients. That's also in past 3 years back, we are people thinking about the face wash generally, but nowadays they are thinking about charcoal or niacinamide or vitamin C, like the ingredients concept. So we are putting the same products that satisfy the need of a customer. If there is a oily skin customer is coming inside our store, he will get a product which is 100% satisfied her need. That's we are positioning ourselves in a premium way, but in an affordable way.
Got it.
Yeah,
Aslam,
I have,
actually,
yeah,
yeah,
Aslam, I have one
okay,
question. Bharat, can you
okay.
please take me the investment part?
Okay. The
Okay,
deck.
Yeah,
let's move on to
Yeah,
the
yeah,
investment.
this is where
sure,
I need
sure.
to understand more.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Aslam, is this all the investment is inclusive of GST?
Investment including GST, yes, sure. Hello?
Okay, any other question?
Yes,
Aslam,
yeah,
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 I
yeah.
Sharat,
need
go
to
ahead.
understand. Yeah, please. Aslam, I need to understand whether this is inclusive of GST or plus GST. I mean, investment part.
Which one? Which one?
This
Total
investment
financial
part,
part.
total, yeah.
Yeah, we considered GST in this part also, and we will be
Mhm.
getting the depreciation from the income tax also from the same GST.
Okay.
Inclusive of
And also you
GST
told
is we
that you already
consider.
have 6 stores. Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. And
Six
also you
stores
told
is the
that 6 stores in Kerala, right?
yes.
And also, what are the revenue they're doing and what is the turnover?
Actually, our 4 stores are operationally break-even currently. We started 6 year
Mm-hmm.
back the first show, and in the this
Mm-hmm.
year we opened 2 stores in Nadakav and Edakara. So that 2 stores
Okay.
are giving good traction, but that is not currently operationally break-even. And the other
Mm-hmm.
4 stores, and once we going to I already told you to in this financial year we are focusing our FOCO model, like company owned stores into 15 stores.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
our margin would be higher, our purchasing would be higher, purchasing power would be higher. Currently we have 6 stores. That is our major pulling back in our purchasing power. So we are actually planning to open a sourcing. We are looking in a Bombay office for sourcing the products from Bombay. that would be giving double margin than our distributors in Kerala. We already studied the
Mm-hmm.
same, and we are planning to move on to our purchase office into sourcing office into Bombay. The same thing. So we are at
Mm-hmm.
going Bombay next week, and we'll be finalizing the location and started sourcing from there. So the for example, I will give an example for a product getting 22 percentage margin here in Kerala through the distributor, and that would be the same product would be getting 40 plus margin in Bombay. So our
Okay.
sourcing would be from there, and we need the purchase power, and we are putting our stores. We are actually tapped three locations. Last week we were in Shiju. Know that we already in Ernakulam, Kochi, we already uh, tapped a location in Kalur. The next week we'll be signing the agreement, and some of the major three locations we already spotted. And in March, maybe we are closing 15 stores, and our purchasing power will be high. So the world financials will be maybe better. Like the financials will be made with our current situation, like this margin and everything would be put by our
Mm-hmm.
current scenario, then there would
Okay.
be a good traction. Would then there would be a huge difference in our financials. Like currently we are having 30 to 35 percentage of margin in our stores,
Mm-hmm.
current stores. We are targeting 40 percentage of margin in next financial year. And also we are
Okay.
planning our own products, Piora, that would be giving a good margin. And Nika, Purple, every competitors, they are also having a product mix of 65 to 35 percentage, 65 percentage on product in their stores. So we are planning to shift our product mix likewise, like only. So currently we have less our own products. We need to put our maybe 30 to 40 percentage our own products in our stores. So there would be a huge difference in the margin and in our profit. So currently, we just in a conservative way, we already took the numbers in a conservative way only. So there would be a huge impact in the financial year end. Though when we started in our stores, we only got a margin of 25 percentage, and we put a target of 30 percentage in the last 2 years back, and currently we having a 33-35 percentage. So now in the next financial year, in the coming financial year end, we are targeting a 40 percentage margin on products. So, so we are actually planning into that in a vacant.
Mm-hmm.
Once we have that purchase power also, it will be great to us to compete with others, because the customer experience and the customer personalized service that other brands can't give actually, because we are having a 35 years of legacy in the industry of retail, in education sector, in manufacturing, in every industry we have a good experience. So our costing team is very good. Our financial team, our research team is very good. We know how to source the staffs, how to source the skilled staffs. So it would be better to us to stand in big. So we are in a growing stage. So for that purpose only, for supporting us, we all are sitting here to expand our brand. So we'll be number one into 2030. We are planning our IPO also. So we
Good.
have a
Good.
good plan is there actually. We have a good backend plan is there. So some of the plans we can't reveal actually.
Good
So
to
Right,
know,
right.
Aslam.
I
so
we understand.
So I will add one more
more
thing.
more more. Oh
So,
yeah, sure. Yeah.
Mr. Aslam, he already told about the purchase power. That is because if we purchase from here in Kerala or local purchase, it will directly, we can get it's from the distributor only. So there will be a margin of distributor is also going for them. So
Yes,
while
yes,
we are
correct.
putting a office in Bombay, so we can directly purchase from the company. So we will be a distributor. So the MOQ will be high. So we are adding more stores to clear out the stocks. That's the major thing about the purchase part.
Okay. Thank you.
Right. Thanks so much,
Bharat.
Aslam. I really appreciate you answering all the questions that been asked.
Yeah.
As an opportunity, as I said earlier, that it is indeed a great opportunity because you will have a
Yes.
trusted legacy brand with over 35 years of experience
Yes.
in multiple diverse sectors, right? Of course, the legacy ensure that you will definitely be providing a great operational support, to all the franchisee. Right. Apart from that, for the franchisee, it is indeed a great opportunity because you will be dealing with the a premium multi-brand portfolio, right? Because it brings top international and Indian beauty brands under one roof, from skincare to makeup to men's grooming to fragrance. Everything you will
Yes.
have assorted in, everything will be assorted. Apart from that, they also have a proven omnichannel business with 6 successful retail stores and growing online presence through its website and platforms like Nika, Tata Click, Ajio Cosmetics offers a balanced model that combines in-store experience as well as the digital reach and driving both the means of business. And obviously, as we already have discussed, it has a high profitability and the fast ROI. The franchise model, the 3 different models that you saw are quite affordable depending upon the kind of uh, space you have, right? So the franchise model is designed the way it has been designed, to focus on on a healthy margin and repeat clientele, right? That is what is main focus is. And depending upon the store size, the franchise can achieve payback max to 34 months, backed by the strong brand driven demand and optimized operational cost. uh, because as I said that this is have a very good experience, 35-year experience, very big
Yes.
team to take care of all the aspects of franchise business. This brand will ensure that you get end-to-end support, including operations support, right? From site selection to store setup to staff training to marketing training, inventory
Yes.
management. So the franchise partners receive continuous operational guidance through standard operating procedures, ensuring
Yes.
the smooth and profitable business execution. So that is what you are going to get. So my request is to please get in touch with us on the number I just have shared in the chat box, nine
Yeah.
seven one seven six eight three eight three eight. I would also
Okay.
request Shiju, Manoj, and Sarath, you all please share your name, number, and the region like Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Kerala. I mean, anyone, if you would, if you've joined from Kerala or maybe Hyderabad or Bangalore, you can get in touch with the respective, the business head of that particular region. So, in case if you could just share your number in the chat box, please, Manoj.
Sure, Bharat, I just did.
Perfect. So Sharath has shared his number, Manoj has shared his number, right? So you all can connect with him in if you are from those respective, the area where we are, trying to expand our footprints. And of course, we understand that 1 hour is not good enough to, to have a deep dive discussion, a deep dive knowledge about the business opportunity. I can understand that you will definitely have lots of questions related to the brand and the business. So, I mean, it will be a great opportunity when you connect with us, call us on our number, and let's have a deep dive discussion about the opportunities. Right? We'll definitely figure out what the best can be done, and that will be the best idea, of course. So I think that's it for the day, everyone. Thank you so much for joining, spending almost more than an hour with us, understanding the business opportunity. Right. So see you once again on Friday. I'm sorry, on Monday once again with a new brand, and we'll explore another business opportunity. I would really like to thank all my colleagues, Manoj, Sarath, Siju, joining
Thank
from
you,
different
Bharat.
region. And I
Thank
would
you,
a
Group
special
Cosmetics.
thanks to Aslam
Yeah,
and
thank you.
the
Thank you so much.
team, joining us and helping, providing a great opportunity,
Yes.
for all the investors. So I think
Okay.
that's it for the day, everyone. See you
Okay.
on Monday,
Thank
right?
you.
Thanks,
Thank you.
everyone for
Thank you.
joining.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Thanks,
Thank you
Aslam.
so much.
Thanks, everyone.
Thanks.
Thank
Bye.
you. Thank you, everyone.
Thanks.
Okay.
Bye bye.